Folks, welcome back to the Ranch Network, and today we're going to do an amazing product review. The Vierose Makeup Mirror / Vanity Mirror. This thing is ultra sleek. It's 22 inches tall and 18 inches wide, which provides you with the perfect upper body view. It features shatterproof glass, an LED light strip, an aluminum alloy frame, round edge design. This mirror also comes with a detachable 5x magnification mirror that provides a more detailed view so you can apply your makeup, mascara, your lipstick. Installation is super simple. It comes with 6 screws that attaches the base to the mirror. It's simple as that. The features that clearly stood out the most are the 3 color modes: warm light, yellow light, and cool light. The brightness of each color can be dimmed or brightened by a long press. Various illumination modes can meet the needs of all your different makeup. It's so cool. Here at the Ranch Network, we highly recommend the Vierose Makeup / Vanity Mirror. It's a great gift for the holidays. Don't forget to grab yourself one. Get it for your special lady. And with that being said, we give it a big thumbs up, and that's our review.